Hi and welcome to my channel. I just came back home. I'm waiting for a package to be delivered to me. I've pre-ordered a bag from a website. I actually bought a new Chanel bag from Ribbons.com. It's a local brand. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I had no intention of buying a new bag. I was pretty happy with everything that I have. This is the box that I got. It has a ribbon on it. It's so cool. The website called Ribbons.com, and yeah, the packaging comes with a ribbon. It's so cool. It looks like a gift. Like it's really like opening a gift for yourself. Right, removing the plastic thing. This is my first pre-loved item. I've never purchased pre-owned items before, but this bag was in pristine condition. It was categorized as unused, brand new, so I'm very excited. I also got quite a big discount on it. I saved nearly $1,000 and the item is brand new. By the way, sometimes when I buy the Chanel bag and it was on display, sometimes it looks like it's been handled a lot and you cannot always get the brand new item. So I'm quite actually pleased that I saved like nearly $1,000. The item is in a unique color. I received a great customer service, and most importantly, I know that this item is authentic. Ta-da! This is the color. By the way, I can return this bag within 30 days unless I remove the tag, which I have no intention of doing. I'm so keeping this bag. Actually, at first, I wasn't sure if I could really use this bag often because it's in bright yellow color, but I actually have quite a few items I can wear it with. I can wear it with brown, with gray. I can wear it with white, with tan, with multicolors, with orange, with even green. Like, it would look great. So I'm quite pleased I bought it. The reason why I purchased from this website is because of my colleague. I actually saw her with a beige Chanel classic flap and I complimented it and I said I have the same one, and she said, oh, where did you buy it and how much did you pay for it? I said I bought it in Cannes. I paid, I told her the price and she was like, oh wow, you can buy it like a lot cheaper on the website. You can buy it for like 6.5K. And I was like, oh wow, like I paid a lot more, and if I buy in a boutique I have to pay tax obviously. So yeah, I decided to check this website. I saw this bag right away. I saw it about more than a month ago actually, and I was like, oh my god, I have to have it in my collection. It's so pretty. I arranged a private viewing of this bag because I wanted to make sure it's in an immaculate condition, it's real. There is no any signs of wear and tear, and of course it comes with authenticity card. Honestly speaking, I wouldn't purchase it without, especially after I had to repair my black Chanel classic flap, and I talk about it in some of my videos. And when I came to boutique, they asked me to show the card, and they were checking it like for some time. They took it away for like half an hour. They were checking for it if it's real, and then I was picking it up. They asked me to bring my authenticity card again. I'm not sure if they would accept it if I didn't have the card. Maybe it would take longer to authenticate. I don't really know how it works, but I'm just glad I had everything. If you are looking to buy pre-owned, I would recommend to buy it from big brands. Don't buy it from some small unknown companies. Buy it from the brands like, I don't know, I think Vestiaire Collective is very popular. I was looking at this website as well for a while. I would probably buy from there if I lived in the States for sure, but I live in Singapore and it's just easier for me to buy from a local brand, and Singapore has such strict rules. I know that if I buy it from Singapore from a reseller like that, it will be authentic. By the way, when I opened the bag earlier, you could see there was another card, and it's actually Reebon's authenticity card with a special unique number, and it states that it's been certified, it's authentic, like it's guaranteed. So it's pretty cool. I really like that. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you found it useful. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel for more content and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!